Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. Want to improve your English without studying grammar rules? Great, because I'm starting a new series of stories to tackle just that. I'm calling it 2-Minute English. So listen, feel the language, and let it sink in. Because today we're learning through a relatable situation. A bad morning. Listening practice in simple past. Remember, I help Spanish speakers sound confident and natural in English, so like, share, and subscribe for more. Yesterday, I had a bad morning. I woke up late. My alarm didn't ring. I jumped out of bed and ran to the kitchen, but there was no coffee. I forgot to buy some. Then, my son started crying. He lost his favorite toy. We looked everywhere. Finally found it under the couch. I didn't know where I put my phone. My son didn't want to get dressed. He said his socks were itchy. I gave him different ones, but he cried anyway. I grabbed my bag and we left. It wasn't perfect, but we made it through. All ended well. Now it's your turn. What was your morning like? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, your English is perfect. And thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.